I want to show you a workflow that changes everything for me and the way I digest content. I just read this article, The End of Organizing, how GPT-3 will turn your notes into an actual second brain. I'm a firm believer in this concept. I pasted this article. It's by Dan Shipper. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to read it. I pasted it into ChatGPT and I simply said summarize. It gave me a summary, in which case I then said, give me the key takeaways. I want to digest the content, but I don't want to read because who likes to read? This sentence here is what really got me thinking. AI can surface the right notes at the right time. How can it do that? Through contextual search, predictive analysis, personalization, natural language processing. Personalization is definitely going to be the trend to watch. In fact, you even have deals like Potion that just hit the AppSumo store where it is personalizing video outreach. I want to explore this idea of AI surfacing the right notes at the right time. So let's convert this into a YouTube video. And again, I've started with an article. I've kind of got some interest. Now I want to explore deeper the premise. In the future, AI will be able to surface the right notes at the right time. The keyword is AI and note taking. The end of organizing, how GPT-3 will turn your notes into an actual second brain. This here's the actual title of the article. I'm going to give it some feedback and say that I don't want to actually copy any of the articles, the exact things, and I want it lighthearted and I want to say simple words. Have you ever struggled with organizing your notes? You're not alone. Say goodbye to disorganized notes and hello to a smarter, more efficient way of working. I can simply say, put this into the PAS framework. Organizing notes is a challenging and time-consuming task. It can be tough to find a single system that works for all of our notes. I'm going to put this into my own PAS framework based on kind of what they said, saying that organizing notes is time-consuming. You can never find the notes when you actually need it. AI can resurface the exact note at the right time using different methods. I'm going to say make a video outline based on the solution using bullet points. Title, AI to the rescue. Are you tired of sifting through piles of notes to find the one you need? In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you resurface the exact note you need at the right time. Say goodbye to disorganized notes and hello to a smarter, more efficient way of working. I like that hook a lot. Now I'm going to copy this here. We're going to try something with tone. Let's paste in this part here. It doesn't look like we can paste the whole thing, but we can paste part of it. So let's go ahead and paste that in. We'll also paste in the solution from our PAS framework. I clicked enter and it's going to generate a presentation. Let's quickly go through this. AI to the rescue, unlocking the right note in a flash. We get an introduction, then we get our solutions, contextual search, predictive analysis, personalization, natural language processing, and then we get a conclusion. Finding the right note in a sea of data can be a daunting task, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Contextual search uses AI to find the right note based on the context of your query. Predictive analysis uses AI to anticipate what kind of note you're looking for based on your past queries and searches. Personalization uses AI to tailor notes and documents to your individual preferences and needs. Natural language processing is using patterns to predict and show you what it thinks should come next based on those patterns. AI technology is here to help you find the right note quickly and efficiently so you can spend more time creating. It's actually giving us quite a similar presentation as ChatGPT. In under 20 minutes, we have a presentation going over the outline of everything that we talked about. We could jump onto some articles, some blogs, and we could look at the different tools that people are using with AI right now. What apps are you using? Today, I just wanted to show you how you can use an article for inspiration to ultimately create a video, a presentation. All the focus right now is around these ChatGPT type things and text and all of that. It's going to morph into video and different ways to digest the data because the masses are not reading super long articles. They're looking for condensed information. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz. Hopefully this video brought you some value. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like it, and we'll see you in the next one.